Okay, so today we'll go over an example of manipulating text to numbers using the Power Query Editor. So, great example of that is here, this IMDb chart website. It'll give us the highest 10 grossing films in the US. It'll give us the name of the movie, how much it grossed over the weekend, and how much it's made over its life. So we'll grab that URL, we'll come into Excel, we'll go to the Data tab, the Get and Transform Data section, and then this icon here with the globe representing the World Wide Web. Click it, paste in the URL, hit OK. Excel will establish connection to that website. Over here, it'll list all of the tables that you could connect to. This first one is not what we're looking for. The second one gives us what we're looking for, the movie, the weekend, and the lifetime. So we could load it and just get that data, but you can see there's dollar signs there, there's M's there. Those are obviously text fields, not actual numbers. We want actual numbers. So we'll come in here and transform the data. I'll bring up the Power Query Editor. This first column we'll go ahead and remove, it's blank. The number of weeks we'll remove, and this blank column we'll remove. So now I can go to transform. You can see this data type is text. First thing I want to do is I want to get rid of the dollar signs and I want to get rid of the M's. So I'll come in here, replace values, find a dollar sign, and replace with nothing. Just get rid of the dollar sign. And then replace values again, find the M, replace with nothing, just get rid of the M. So now I've got, you can see this is data type text, so I can convert it to a decimal number. Now it's in a number. Right here on the gross, I'll do the same thing. Find the dollar sign, replace with nothing. And find the M and replace with nothing. Now we can come in here, we know that those were M's. So we can transform the data by a standard multiplication. So we'll multiply it by 1 million. And that 19 becomes 19 million. We'll do the same thing here. We'll make this a decimal number, and then we can multiply it by 1 million. And that 316.8 becomes 316,800,000. So now we have actual numbers. We can go home, close and load. And the data comes in. Let's see, 19 million, 13.8 for the boogeyman down at the bottom, 2.6 and 37.7. The boogeyman 2.6, 37.7. So I can manipulate this data however I want. If I want to continually track this for whatever reason, I've established a connection. So I can just right click, refresh the table. Excel will go back to that website, give me whatever is currently in that table.